Okay, guys. Hello and welcome. So, today I'm going to teach you the tools you will need for Meta ads. Okay, before I get into this proper, I want to explain what Meta is. Meta is a combination of all the platforms owned by Facebook. And the owner of Facebook, as we all know, the CEO and founder is Mark Zuckerberg. So Meta is that one name company that is in charge or that is the father or the mother company of all the other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and a whole lot of it. So that is called Meta. So these are the tools you will need for Meta ads. That is, if you want to run ads on Facebook that will still appear on Instagram and will still appear on Messenger. So these are the tools you are going to use. You are going to need. So the first tool is your Facebook account. Now, this is a normal account that you have, the normal Facebook account that you open, your Facebook profile where you see your pictures and all those lots of things. That is your Facebook. That is your Facebook account. Now, the second thing you need is your Facebook page. Now, your Facebook account is different from a Facebook page, right? Your Facebook account is different from your Facebook page. So I'm going to be showing you what a Facebook page looks like from my own place right now. So this is a Facebook page. This is my Facebook page. You can see this is Champions Digital. It's a marketing agency. So this is a Facebook page. So right here you see things that are different: professional dashboard, insights, ads manager, create ads, post Instagram posts, settings, and a whole lot of other things. So here you also see Meta Business Suite. I will get to that in a minute. So stay with me in this video. I'll get to explain what it is, what Meta Business Suite is. So this is my um, this is my Facebook page. Yeah, this is my Facebook page. So this is how it looks like. It's different from a Facebook profile. So the way you are going to know is look at this picture right here. You see, this is a different picture here. So I'm going to switch over to my Facebook account, just my Facebook profile right now. Okay. So when you click here, so you see this icon here. This is Champions Digital, the Facebook page, and this is my Facebook account. So I'm going to click here, and it's going to change into my Facebook profile, right? So it's going to change. So this is it. This is a different thing. You see a notification here. You are now acting as your name on Facebook, right? So this is my Facebook profile now, and you see my picture has changed. It's a different thing, and you see that the layout of this account, the everything here in this account is different from all those other things you saw before. So this is how it is, right? So this is what it is. So the next thing you're going to be needing is your Meta Ads account. These are the tools you need to be able to run an ad on Meta effectively. Your Meta Ads account. So you need an ad account. So I'll be showing you what an ad account looks like from my old tab right here. So this is an ad account. So once you open up a successful ad account, once you open up a successful ad account, so this is how it's going to look like. Okay, as you can see, I've been running ads a few months, a few days back. I ran these ads. So this is an ad account. This is what it's going to look like, right? So here you can see another ad account. So you can see more ad accounts. Here is another ad account that I have. Apart from this one, here's another one, and here's another ad account that I have. So this is it. This is another ad account, launching ads manager, and then you get to see my other ad account. These are other ads. You see, the other ad has two ads, and this has like probably like three, four, five, six ads that I have run with this. So some of these ads are around with 1,000 naira. And then I'm getting so many numbers on this ad, but I don't want to show you, not yet. So as you can see, picture here has changed, unlike the first one that I showed you before. So you need a Meta Ads account. Now you need a Meta Business Suite, right? You need a business suite, a Meta Business Suite. Now, what is a business suite? This is what it looks like. Okay, a Meta Business Suite. Um, so let me revert back to my ad account. Okay, Let me go back to this ad account so that I can open up my business suite. So this is what a Meta business suite looks like. Here you can see Meta business suite. So this Meta business suite, what it basically is that is a one place whereby you pair your Facebook and your Instagram accounts together, right? You pair your Facebook page. You see here, it says edit Facebook page, and then you also pair your Instagram account together, right? So if you bring the two of them together, anything you post on Facebook will still appear on Instagram. If I create a post now, if I create a post here, if I click create post, and anything I create, any post I create that I will put on Facebook will also appear on Instagram. That is just one platform that Meta is using so that you can reach both platforms. And then um, uh, you can also create posts that or videos and upload them whereby people can send you messages, on your WhatsApp. If you connected your WhatsApp or if you connected your Messenger, people are going to send you messages there. So once I click it, you see, once I create a post now, you see here, it says customize post for Facebook and Instagram. So once I put a post and I click this on, it will customize it. And then I can even schedule a time by which I can, post this. If I want to create post that will last from now till the next 6 months, I can use this business suite and create that post. So this is what a business suite looks like. And from here, I can still launch my ads. You can see I can view all my inboxes. This is the lead center. If I'm collecting leads, this is the ads. If I want to run ads, I'll just go here, click here, and then start running ads. And then here is the inbox. And if I go to inbox, I can be able to access my Facebook Messenger. You see all messages. See, look at all messages here. So if I go here, I can be able to access my Messenger. All messages sent to me on Messenger, I can access them. All messages sent to me on Instagram, I can access them. All messages sent to me on WhatsApp, I can access them. So this is basically what the Meta Business Suite is all about, right? This is probably what it's all about. So the next thing is your Instagram account. Everyone knows this. Your Instagram account is very much like a Facebook account that you can put both of them together so that whatever you do on Facebook also appears on Instagram, right? And then the another thing that you need is your WhatsApp business account, right? Your WhatsApp business account. Now there are different types of WhatsApp. There is ordinary WhatsApp, there is GB WhatsApp, but then what you need is WhatsApp business. That's what you are going to use, WhatsApp business. Okay. That's what you are going to connect to your Facebook page so that when you run ads, you can easily send people from your ads to your WhatsApp, right? And from then, you can send them to any group or any link you want to send them. Okay. So that's basically the tools that you need to be able to run your Meta ads effectively. And then there are other tools you need. Other tools you might need is a website or a landing page. If you have a website, you can and you want to send people and you want to send traffic from your ads to your website, you can easily put in your web link and then you can send people. Once people click on your ads, they will be redirected to your website homepage where they get to learn about your business or your product or your service and what you do and how you can help them. Or even if you don't have a website, you can still build a landing page using some free tools I'm going to show you in this program. Some free tools I'm going to show you in this course. So stay with me. I'll get to show you these free tools whereby even if you don't have a website, don't worry, you can build your landing pages and then you can send people from your ads on Facebook to your landing page to get to know what you're doing or the product you want to sell to them. And then from your landing page, you can still sell them to your WhatsApp, right? So this is it. So I think I've covered everything I need to cover. I will see you in the next module. Thank you very much.